Alright guys, just got these mirrors in for the X3. These are Kemimoto brand. So I'll go ahead and take them out of the box. We'll take a look at them. So here's everything it comes with: the 2 mirrors, 4 bolts, and 4 washers. Nice looking mirror. Once again, you know, they sent me a set for my YXZ, and those were nice and heavy and solid, just like these. The only thing we have to do to install these is put a couple screws through the there's 2 holes on the side of the X3. You go right into there. So just these 2 screws. Obviously it's going to come from the other side and screw into the mirror. So I'll go ahead and do that, and I'll show you what it looks like. Okay guys, so if you're mounting these and you notice that the mirror's not quite turned in enough, these will actually click over, but you have to loosen the nut on the bottom here. So there's a little nut here. Loosen it up a few times and then you can click them over. See? It'll pop, and then whenever you have it where you want it, just go ahead and tighten that nut back down. Alright guys, here you go. What they look like when they're done. Pretty sharp looking mirrors, just like the ones on the YXZ. Very similar in appearance. They also break away just like the other ones. You can see, like, if you hit a tree or whatever, you know. Nice and easy. Nice clear glass. Just make sure you tighten down everything after you install them so they don't rattle apart. Nice simple install. Took maybe 10 minutes. It was a little more difficult for me because I had to go through this as well, my light bar mounts. So I didn't even use a washer on them because the bolt wouldn't have been long enough. But it was long enough to get through there. But there you go guys, nice looking mirrors. I'll let you know how they do after a few rides, after I've used them for a while. But thanks again for watching, and we'll catch you later.